Hey everyone, Jim Reiser, SwimLessonsUniversity.com. Today I'd like to talk to you about feedback. We have lots of forms of feedback: positive and negative, congruent and incongruent, corrective and evaluative. What I want to talk to you today is about a technique called the sandwich technique, where we combine first giving the student something positive about what they're doing, then giving them the correction, and then finishing it with something positive. It goes a long way. Take a look. All right, boys and girls, we're gonna go inline kick or rocket kicks. Arms straight, facing the water fast, feet, and go. Hold on, okay. So Kay, you are doing a fantastic flutter kick. Nice, small and fast. Now, when you get your breath, if you can keep your arms straight, chin on the water, put your head right back down, it's going to be awesome. All right, try that. Ready, go. And face in. This. And face back down. Good. All right, now, you're doing super. You're doing really good. I want to go, we're almost at the wall. Let's see if you can keep your elbows straight and your chin on the water when you get your last breath, okay? And then put the head back down. And go. Breath and face down. There it is. You did it. Fantastic. Awesome. Good job. And that's the sandwich.
Yeah.
If you found this video helpful, leave your thumbs up and comments below. If you're looking for a step-by-step, complete training and certification program, head over to SwimLessonsUniversity.com, where we put the science back into teaching children to swim. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, click subscribe and turn your notifications button on so you never miss a video when we put one out. And remember, no other sports skill can save a child's life. Give a child a lifetime gift. Teach him or her to swim.